A pandemic is a disease epidemic that has spread across a large region, for instance multiple continents, or worldwide. A widespread endemic disease with a stable number of infected people is not a pandemic. Further, flu pandemics generally exclude recurrences of seasonal flu. Throughout history, there have been a number of pandemics of diseases such as smallpox and tuberculosis. One of the most devastating pandemics was the Black Death, which killed an estimated 75-100 million people in the 14th century. Current pandemics include HIV/AIDS and the 2019 coronavirus disease. Other notable pandemics include the 1918 influenza pandemic and the 2009 flu pandemic. A pandemic is an epidemic occurring on a scale that crosses international boundaries, usually affecting a large number of people. Pandemics can also occur in important agricultural organisms or in other organisms. A disease or condition is not a pandemic merely because it is widespread or kills many people, it must also be infectious. For instance, cancer is responsible for many deaths but is not considered a pandemic because the disease is not infectious or contagious. The World Health Organization previously applied a 6-stage classification that describes the process by which a novel influenza virus moves from the first few infections in humans through to a pandemic. This starts with the virus mostly infecting animals, with a few cases where animals infect people, then moves through the stage where the virus begins to spread directly between people, and ends with a pandemic when infections from the new virus have spread worldwide. In February 2020, WHO clarified that there is no official category. For the sake of clarification, WHO does not use the old system of 6 phases that ranged from phase 1 to phase 6 that some people may be familiar with from H1N1 in 2009. In a virtual press conference in May 2009 on the influenza pandemic, Dr. Keiji Fukuda, Assistant Director General ad interim for Health Security and Environment, WHO said, "An easy way to think about pandemic is to say, a pandemic is a global outbreak." Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.